Hey, praisers and savers. We're going to be breaking down the CVS pharmacy deals for December the 27th to January the 1st, 2021. These are the hot deals of the week, my favorite deals of the week. So just starting us off, these are the items that I got at Kroger last week. Groceries are a little bit harder to coupon, but the total was before coupons. The Kroger Plus car was $38.46, and I only paid $13.82. Also has my IBOTTA rebates and fetch rewards that I received, but this is just what I paid at the register. So check out my Kroger video if you want to see how I got 5 bottles of salad dressing and scalloped potatoes, 4 boxes of macaroni and cheese, and 3 bags of all for $13. So the first thing up always is going to be the buy 30, get 10. Usually it comes out every week. Sometimes it's buy 20, get 10, or get 5. But this week it's the buy 30, get 10, and it's 10 in a gift card. So what that means is you're not getting extra care bucks this week when you spend that $30 threshold of things. You're getting a gift card, and make sure that you get that gift card before you leave the store, because what happens is at the end of your receipt, a $10 printout comes out for the gift card, and they need to go ahead and give you that gift card because you will lose that little slip of paper and not have it for next time. And then that gift card can be used whatever you need in the store after you spend that 30. So usually I give you guys like the best deals of the week. And so the best ones of this week is going to be the Crest toothpaste. Now, the Crest toothpaste is $2.99 this week per tube. There's a $2 off coupon in the P&G, and so it's going to be 99 cents per tube. But remember, you're getting back $10 in extra care bucks. So when you buy 10 tubes of this Crest toothpaste, it's going to be absolutely free. But you don't have to just do all toothpaste. You can also get some of that Tide. If you did the Tide deal and you got some bags of Tide with the $10 the $10 back, it's going to be about $1.65 for each bottle, each bag of the Tide. That's $4.94, and then the Tide that's $11.94. It's going to be about $5.90, I believe, after you factor in the coupon and also the $10 you get back. But just to break it down, the Crest is going to be the best deal, getting it totally free. Now, you're not going to be able to get all the Crest in one transaction. You have to break them up. The coupon states you can only get 2 tubes of toothpaste, because the coupon says there's a limit of 2. You can only use 2 of those coupons at a time. And I usually break it up throughout all my transactions to make sure that I'm abiding by the policy. All right, this is another great deal. We got this deal last week. This is Gillette razors. They are $9.99. Some of the men's razors are like $10.60 or something like that. I think I got a men's razor last week, and that's fine. So you're going to buy one of those using the $3 off coupon that you'll get in the P&G for December 27th that come out on Sunday. You're going to pay $6.99 and receive $5 in extra care bucks, making this final price $1.99. But be careful, because sometimes on the app there's some CRTs that you can use. So check those out. Make sure you don't have any good CRTs that are out there right now. I had a $3 CRT print off for razors last week, and I did not expect it, so I was able to even maximize more of the savings using that $3 CRT. All right, so this is a deal I got also last week. This is going to be the CoverGirl products. The Easy Breezy Brows are $5.99. I don't use this, but I usually tell you guys what the cheapest thing is or what the moneymaker is. Last week I got a tube of lipstick, and then I got eyeliner, because I needed that more than the brow pens. I don't use those at all. But if you were to use the brow pencils, they are $5.99. You're going to buy 2 of those, and you're going to use the $3 off coupons for the eye care products. When you do that and you're getting back the $6 extra care bucks, you're going to be getting a 2 cents moneymaker on these. So you're going to buy 2 of them, and your total is going to be $5.98 at the register. And then you're going to receive $6 extra care bucks. And remember, this is also a great deal because this goes towards your Beauty Bucks reward member. So remember, the Beauty Bucks is if you spend $30 on Beauty Club rewards, you'll get back $3 every time you spend $30. And also January 1st, the Beauty Bucks start over. So whatever Beauty Bucks you have in your account on January 1st we'll start over for the year. So if you only have $3 in there, that's fine. But if you want to go ahead and use them up so you can get that $3 in extra care bucks to use your next transaction, go ahead and do that now. All right, now, we've been getting these all holiday season. These are the LA Colors or the Wet n Wild gift sets. They are $4.99 each, and you're getting back $3 in extra care bucks. No coupons needed for this. This is a limit of 1 per household. Now, I know some of you say, oh, I don't really need these. I have a ton of them. But think about this. They're sitting in a closet somewhere. You could have like a little gift closet or a shelf in your closet for gifts. Stick those on there, and whenever you need to pull something out really quick for somebody, you can just go ahead and pull out one of these gift sets for a teenager. But I even like these. I love Wet n Wild makeup. My favorite lipstick is Wet n Wild, and my favorite eyeliner is Wet n Wild. I know that's crazy because I get all this stuff for free, but it is. Also, I use these at school. If I have the kind, like the fingernail polish, I know the parents are okay with it, I'll put it in my treasure box for my students, and they pull those out and they just love it. My students are usually about 11 or 12 years old, so they're about that age where they can paint their own fingernails without any problem. And so I'll get the nail polish ones and stick it in the treasure box. And then I was also thinking the other day about how many sets of these I had, and at school, our principal is always asking for little donations of something for gift baskets. And so she makes gift baskets for different fundraisers that we may have. And so I'll go ahead and just get all these together next time she asks for a donation. And I have like 10 of them. And I'm sure she would love to have this to make a makeup gift basket and get some good money for us at our school. So check those out. Also, one last thing on these. I have people tell me all the time they can't find these in the store. They are usually located like above you on the shelf where the makeup is. So usually when I walk in the front door, that very first aisle, there's makeup always when you first walk into CVS. And up on the top shelf, these are usually located there. Now, if you cannot find them, they may be where the holiday stuff is, like the Christmas stuff is on a separate kiosk. And then some stores just run out of them frequently because they are a hot item to get. So ask the associates, see what they say. You might have to go to a different store to pick these up. Limit 1 on these. All right, this is a new no coupon deal as well. So you don't need any coupons for this. This is the Colgate toothpaste, 2-in-1 toothpaste, or the Max. You're going to buy 2 of those at $2.99 each. So your total is going to be $6. $5.98. When you get to the register, you'll pay the $5.98, but you're going to get back $4 in extra care bucks. When you get back for those $4 in extra care bucks, your final price is going to be 99 cents each when you buy 2. So you're getting a 2 of a toothpaste for 99 cents, which is a great deal. Also, look out for your CRTs because a lot of times there'll be a deal where if you spend so much money on Colgate or oral products, you'll get some money off as well. Now, the good thing about this deal is you can do this twice. So you can go ahead at the register, get 4 tubes of Colgate toothpaste. You're going to pay $3, $6, $9, $12, and you're going to get back $8. But also make sure that you look at that CRT on your app for any good CRTs that you may have on tooth products. All right, these. I know we are candied out from the holidays, but this is a good product to pick up whenever you are in the store with your kids and they want a treat. The Sour Patch Kids are going to be $2 each, and there's a $2 CVS store coupon that you can get at the red box. It may be on your app, but you should get it at the red box. They're going to be $1 each when you use that coupon, so they're $2. You're going to use the $2 coupon off 2, and they'll make them $1 each. So good little prize to buy the kids whenever they're helping you coupon in the store. I used to see these all the time, and I haven't seen them so much. You can also put these up for a rainy day when you need them for something. We used them this year to make gingerbread houses. All right, so I'm kind of excited about this, even though I do not use this product at all. I really don't even know what I could use it for. It's the fiber tablets or the fiber powder. Now, usually I get the Metamucil and the Align coupons every P&G, and I always throw them away because I never find a really great deal for them. But you're going to be getting this Metamucil for $1.28 each, which is awesome. And I'm sure you know somebody in your life that needs fiber tablets or probiotics. So when you buy 2 of them, you're going to get $10 back in extra care bucks, which is a lot of extra care bucks. But you're going to use a $2 off coupon on one of them and a $2 off coupon on the other one of them. So you're going to have $4 in coupons, and then you're getting back $10 in extra care bucks. And then you're, so you're going to actually pay $12.56 at the register, but you're going to receive $10 extra care bucks. Now, if I were you and I was going to the register, this would be the first thing I put up on there, because I usually do about 3 transactions. This would be the first thing that I put up on the counter, because it has such high extra care bucks and you have to pay so much. You're going to use last week's extra care bucks. So whatever extra care bucks you have from your last week's transaction, go ahead and start off by using this. You never want to start off with the small items. You always want to start off with the big items that cost more and that are going to give you the most extra care bucks back. So your final price after, you get the extra care bucks back is going to be $1.28 each when you buy 2 of these. So I'm sure someone in your life really needs this. So pass it along. All right, now, these are the Oral-B toothbrushes, 2-packs or the 4-packs. Now, I usually need toothbrushes for my blessing bags, but I'm going to keep these for my family, because the 2-packs and the 4-packs, I don't like to give those out in blessing bags. I only like to do the individual toothbrushes. So this would be great, so I can go around and change everyone's toothbrushes out at once. So the other great thing about this is there are coupons on the app that you don't even have to cut. These are digital coupons. And there is a save $2 on one Oral-B battery toothbrush. You can't use that. That's wrong. Don't use the top coupon. I copied that. I need to delete that. Save $2 on a multi-pack adult manual toothbrush. So there's already a $2 off coupon out there that you can use on the app. And you also have coupons that came out in your P&G. So you're going to buy one Oral-B toothbrush pack. The 2 counts are $4.79. And you're going to receive $3 back in extra care bucks. And then your final price is going to be $1.79 or 90 cents per toothbrush when you get the 2-pack. I only did the 2-pack price, but make sure you use one of those $2 off coupons that I have set there. So yeah, that's a really good deal. Let's see. Next. Oh, that's it. Okay. All right. So these are all the deals for December the 27th through January the 1st. January 1st? Is it January 1st? Is it January 1st? I think it's January 1st. Is it January 1st? No. What day is it? Let's look. January the 3rd, 2021. I am super excited about getting these deals because I love getting my Procter & Gamble items. So let me know what your favorite deals were of the week. Also, drop me a comment in the comment letting me know that you finished the video. Just say P&G, and that lets me know that you watched the entire video. All right, guys, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment P&G. All right, Happy New Year. Thanks. Bye.